Welcome back to Auto Insight. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a truck that blends pure nostalgia with modern refinement, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a vehicle that revives a legendary post-war classic of the 1950s but with 21st century technology, design, and performance. Chevrolet has truly aimed to capture hearts with this one, bringing vintage charm wrapped in modern sophistication and practicality. At first glance, the exterior instantly strikes you with a timeless appeal. It retains the rounded fenders, the bold horizontal grille, and the iconic split front design that made the original 3100 so loved, but Chevrolet has reimagined it with a modern twist. LED headlights are seamlessly integrated while keeping a retro, circular look. The body is sculpted with smooth curves and sharp detailing, blending the past and the present effortlessly. The chrome bumpers shine with a vintage vibe, yet are stronger and lighter thanks to new materials. You also notice that the truck sits on beautifully designed alloy wheels that mimic the classic steel wheels but with larger diameters and improved aerodynamics. The bed is made of durable, high-strength steel and features a wood trim option as a nod to its roots. Everything about the exterior screams vintage yet feels fresh and relevant for today. Moving 2. The interior. Chevrolet has crafted one of the most impressive cabins for a pickup truck, inspired heavily by the old 3100, but equipped with today's best technology. The dashboard keeps the iconic symmetrical design and round dials, but instead of old analog gauges, you get a customizable digital cluster that can be themed in retro styles or futuristic layouts. The steering wheel is two-tone leather wrapped, with chrome inserts that remind you of the original pickup. The seats are upholstered in premium leather or heritage cloth options, and they are heated, ventilated, and power adjustable while still offering a classic bench seat option for purists. The cabin space is generous with clever storage solutions, and the fit and finish feels luxurious. Ambient lighting highlights the retro contours of the dashboard and door panels, and at the center you have a large infotainment display powered by the latest Chevrolet operating system, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assistant integration, and over-the-air updates. Technology and comfort don't end there. You also get a premium Bose sound system, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and advanced climate control. Every detail is a careful mix of heritage and modern convenience. Even the gear shifter has been styled with a retro knob but functions electronically for smooth shifting. The hood. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup comes with multiple powertrain options to satisfy both traditionalists and modern drivers. The base engine is a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing around 315 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, offering a great balance between power and efficiency. Stepping up, you have a 5.3-liter V8 option delivering about 400 horsepower for those who crave muscle and classic pickup performance. For eco-minded buyers, Chevrolet also offers a fully electric version with dual motors producing over 480 horsepower and instant torque, making it one of the quickest vintage-styled pickups on the road. The electric variant boasts a driving range of around 300 miles per charge and supports ultra-fast charging, giving you 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Performance across all versions is smooth, confident, and surprisingly refined, with advanced suspension systems, adaptive dampers, and optional all-wheel drive. On the road, the truck feels balanced despite its vintage appearance. The steering is precise, the ride is comfortable, even over rough surfaces, and the noise insulation is excellent. Acceleration is strong, especially with the electric and V8 models, making highway merging and towing effortless. Speaking of towing, the 3100 can pull up to 9,000 pounds depending on configuration, making it not just a showpiece but a functional workhorse. Safety has also been prioritized with Chevrolet's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and even a 360-degree surround view. The camera system. The truck might look vintage, but it drives like a modern luxury pickup with top-tier safety credentials. When it comes to pricing, Chevrolet has smartly positioned the 2026 3100 vintage pickup to appeal to enthusiasts and collectors, while still making it attainable. The base turbocharged four-cylinder starts at around $47,000. The V8 comes in closer to $58,000, and the fully electric variant starts at about $65,000 depending on trim levels and custom heritage packages. Prices can go higher, especially with special edition models that feature wood-trimmed beds, two-tone paint jobs, and exclusive badging. But considering the uniqueness and nostalgia combined with modern practicality, many buyers will find it worth the price. In summary, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is more than just a truck. It's an emotional connection to history while being fully capable of handling modern-day demands. Chevrolet has managed to create a vehicle that honors the past with its exterior style, interior retro details, and overall character, while delivering the technology, performance, and safety of the future for anyone who loves vintage design. But doesn't want to compromise on modern comfort and capability. This pickup is a dream come true and one of the most exciting vehicles of its generation. This has been Auto Inside, bringing you the most detailed insights into the cars and trucks that matter. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, make sure to stay tuned for more reviews and coverage of the latest automotive icons.